Hey everyone, Nitesh this side. Hope you're doing well. So let's start with the question. So the question is minimum domino rotation for equal rows. Okay. So you have in a row of dominoes, you have top I and a bottom I represent the top and bottom halves of the ith domino. Okay. Domino is a tile with two numbers from 1 to 6, one on each half of the tile. Okay. So you have to rotate ith domino so that the top I and bottom I swap values. Okay, and you have to return the minimum number of rotations so that all the values in the tops are the same or all the value of the bottom are the same. Okay, so you have given two arrays and you have to basically do the value, like you have to do same value for either for top or either for bottom, and you have to give in the minimum number of rotation you have to do. If it can't, then you have to do return -1. Okay, so let's see with an example. Okay, so let's and take this example. So we have given this top array which is 2 1 2 4 2 2, and we have one bottom which is 5 2 6 2 3 2. Okay, so what you have to do, either you have to convert the top array into the same element or either you have to do the bottom. If any of them, you just have to give the output. And it's also like, if you can see the input, like either one digit can be converted. Like if you can see, either 2 will become all the same element, either 1 or either, like I have the possibility inputs, like the digits are only 1 to 6. Okay, so if we see the input, either one of them can be converted. Okay, so let's take for this. So as you can see, like we have 2 here, we have 5 here. Okay, for here we have 1, we have 2. For here we have 2, we have 6. Okay, for 4 we have 2. For this 2, this we have 3. For 2 we have 2. Okay, so if you count the 2's from the top, it is 1 2 3 4. So it is 4. And for the 2 in the bottom, if you count 2 2 2, it's 3. Okay, so if we see the size of this array, it is 6. And if we do the sum for this, it is 4 plus 3 equal to 7. And if you can see, these two are common. So either, like, we don't have to swap this number, because if we swap, like, they will become the same. So if we reduce the same number by, like, they are same, so it will be 6. So 2 is the possible input which can be give, like, which we can convert. Okay, so if you can see, this is having top as 4 and the bottom has 3. Okay, so whoever is the lesser will give us, like, if I convert this into 2, then this 2, then this 2, so I will take a output of 3. But I can also do it like, I can convert this 2 at here and this 2 at here, and I will give the output in only in 2. So this is the minimum input. Like, why I take only 2? Because if you take other numbers like 1, if you can see, for 1 in the top it is only 1, but in bottom it's 0. So this number can't reach, like this number can't be converted all ones. So we need to take only that number that is possible. Okay, so let's take this example also. So we have 3 5 1 2 3, and we have 3 6 3 3 4. Okay, so this number are same, so we will just skip it. Okay, so let's take it from here. So as you can see, this is 1 3 here, and if we assume, like, this 3 will come at here, this 3 will come at here, but here there is no any number which we can't take. So for this case, we can't make any array which is equal to either top or either bottom, all elements are same. So for this case, we just return the output as 1. Okay, -1. So let's see how we can approach this question. Okay, so let's take the previous example. So as you can see here, like 2 is the only possible, because you can see, like, at every element, if I come from here, 0 1 2 3 4 5, at every index I have 2 presented, so I can swap the element. Okay, so for, like, checking whether the number which I have to take, so I can take a count array. Okay, so, and I also know, like, the maximum numbers or the range of number is it's 1 to 6. Okay, so let's take an array for that also. So let's take, you can say, a top and a bottom. Okay, so this will be like it 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and let's give it let's take a 6 also, because the number range from 1 to 6. Okay, and what we will do, we will count the frequency of each number. Okay, so we will start from here, and let's take one more array for, let's say, a same, because at this position we don't have to swap it. Okay, like there will be many other option also. So we will start from here, we will take this element and we will increment at here. Okay, so this will become 1, and we will go for this bottom also, and this will become 1. And if both the element are same, we'll update the same also. So we'll move further, we'll come at here, so we'll update 1 and we'll update bottom 2, and both are not same, so we will not do anything. We'll move further, we'll update 2, so it will become 2. Now we'll go to 6 and we'll update it. We'll move further, we'll come at here, we'll update 4 and we'll update 2, so this will become 2. Okay, now we'll move further, we'll come at here, we'll update 2 and 3, so this will become 3 and this will become 1, and we'll move further, again we'll update it, so this will become now 4, and this will become, you can say, 3. And if you can see, the element are same, so we'll update the same also. So all element are 0 0 0 here. Okay, so we have created 3 array of 6 size array. After this, what we will do, we will loop over this array. Okay, and wherever we found like top I plus bottom I and minus this same, because this element is count twice, so we don't need it. Same I is equal to n, like the final input length or the top length. If it is equal to, you just have to return from here, so you will get the output as n minus whoever is maximum, you will take it, max of ti and bi. Okay, and that will give the output. So let's debug it. We will start from here, so we will do 1 plus 0 and minus 0, so it's become 1, and 1 is not equal, so n is equal to 6 for this case, and this is not equal to this condition. We'll come at here, we'll check for this, so 4 plus 3 minus 1, 7 minus 1 equal to 6, and this is equal to n. So what we have to return, we have to return n is 6 minus maximum of 4 comma 3. Why I have taken maximum, because we need to return the minimum output by swapping it. So I take the maximum one and I will subtract it from the our number, so this will give us the output. So this will be 6 minus 4 and this will be 2. And if over reaching to the end, and if I don't receive any like this condition is not true, so I will just return the -1. Okay, so let's write the code for this. Okay, so let's take the 3 arrays which will be of like indexing from 0, so let's give a 7 size. This is top, let's create a bottom size also, this is also 7, and let's take a same. Okay, so we have created our array, let's count at this. So let's take a variable top dot length, I will less than ni plus plus. Okay, so we have to count at top also, the tops of I, increment it. Similarly, increment the bottom counter also, bottoms of I plus plus, and the condition for same, if tops of I is equal to bottom of I, you just have to increment your same. You can take tops or bottom, this is your choice, you will update same. So we have updated our count array. Let's solve the function now. So we have created the array, so what we will do, we will go over this array, so from 1 to 6 will go, and what we have to do, if T of I plus B of I minus same of I is equal to n, just written from here, n minus math dot max T of I comma B of I. Okay, and if there is no condition matching this condition, so we just return -1 from here. Okay, let's run the code. Let's see. So this is accepted. Let's submit it. So as you can see, our code is submitted. The time complexity for this, it's basically a order of n for the tops or bottom length, and the space we are taking you can say a 7 size of 3 array, and that's a constant size we have taken. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching my video, and do join the Telegram group if you have any doubt and any concern. Thank you.